What up, crypto traders? In this video, we're going to be talking about, does bot trading work? And for those of you who are looking for a place to invest your money, for me and my choice, cryptocurrency was a place that I thought was really good during this time to invest in, specifically because we're past the crypto halving, and historically we've seen some major rises during that time. And so, I read a book called The Richest Man in Babylon, and it talks about paying yourself first. And so what I've been doing with the income I've been making this year, 2024, is taking around 10% of everything I earn and just putting it into cryptocurrency. So I use bot trading, and I use a company called Bitscap, and Bitscap will connect with your exchanges that you have your cryptocurrency on. And for me, it's just another way of hodling. It's another way of buying a coin and holding it, for the kind of a longer period of time. Maybe it's a month to 3-4 months, maybe a year. I'm holding these coin pairs. And the bot's going to be trading with them as they go sideways and as they go up. I believe we hit a lot of the downside right now, and this is not investment advice. This is just my own thoughts. I think we're not going to go too much more down from here, and we're going to start seeing some really parabolic growth here over the next 6 months, 7 months. I'm thinking by fall of this year, you're going to see huge rising in a lot of the crypto. And so I use bot trading as if I was holding coin. So like if I was holding net VR, that coin is like I'm holding it, but I'm actually trading it with USDT as it goes up and as it goes down. And so instead of me just holding the coin, I'm making more profits from the trading that's going on out automatically, where I could buy other crypto or make another pair and re-compound it back in. So now it's like I'm holding a PHA coin, and but I'm also gonna be getting paid out in Ethereum with profits. And so you could see here, as this coin was going down, up and down, up and down, I was making money with this bot trading, but I'm still holding the coin PHA. Regardless if it goes down. Now, the problem is, you set your grid lines, and the grid lines will follow you up, but they won't follow you down. Meaning, if you go below that grid line, like I'm holding Jam Coin, and it's below the trading area where it was making me money. So like I said before, the grid lines followed this up, and it stayed up here, these red lines that are here. It can only make money when it's trading now within that. And now that it's below, it's like I'm just hodling the coin anyways. Like I'm going to hold on to Jam Coin because I believe it could 10x, 20x, 30x. These are some coins that I believe will 10x, 20x, 30x during the bull run, that it won't matter that they're not making me money right now because it's below the grid lines. But when it's in the grid lines, it's making me money constantly. And so if I go to my balance here, so far of this month, it made me $816 USDT for the month, which is really cool. And it's only 14 days in the month, so half of the month. So this could realistically these bots could make me an extra $1,600 that I could do, that I could play with, that I could reinvest into other coins, that I could, maybe wait the next month. So I have $3,000 and I'll throw it in another bot pair. And so trading bots, they work I feel like you got to be in for the long run, hold these coins for a long period of time, knowing that currencies are very volatile, and make money while you're hodling. It is really cool to get ready for the bull run. And then, there's good websites that called the top of the market 100% of the time. It's pretty crazy that it's called that market. So now you'll know when to sell everything, turn everything into USDT to get ready for the bear run. So that's the video. Did they do bots work? I'd say 100% yes.